says man, one man, and the children. Are y'all with me? So guess what? Mama ain't gonna go against daddy for them, because guess what? They are one. And guess what? They side by side. She ain't behind them, go in front. She ain't behind them. Turn around, Brother Calvin. She ain't behind them. She is helpmate. You understand? She's on the side of him. She's on the side of him, holding his hand. They one flesh. She came from Israel. Let me cut you right quick. She came right here. Are y'all with me? So it should never be no problem when mama, daughter come to mama and say, Mama, can I do this? Go ask your daddy. I already asked him. He said, no. Mama ought to say, well, you better get on back in that while. You know, what daddy say, go. Are y'all with me? Or if the son come to dad and say, Dad, can I go pick up my friend? Go ask your mama, son, tell her where you going. She said, no. Well, you going back in the room, look at his flesh on, son. Are y'all with me? Is this right here? Husband, wife, and children. That's the way God instituted. But guess what? Sometimes we have them broken homes. Don't y'all go nowhere. I ain't through with y'all. Sometimes, go and sit down, Brother Calvin, for a minute. Sometimes we'll just have mama, the children, and they'll have a Bible in the house.
Yes, Lord.
And mama will work a job in the day and a job at night. While the kids go to school in the day and run the neighborhood at night. Are y'all with me? And then guess what happened? Sister be having a bump somewhere on her. Because sister got deceived by the devil. Anytime the devil can get inside the family. See, this is not a complete family, but it's still a family. But we'll make it complete if they will put this here first. And when they put this here first, the Bible says, he that findeth a woman, wife, findeth a good thing. And then God will put a shield right in front of the woman, because that man is walking by this word, and Satan can't get inside of this family and try to make her stomach big, because daddy gonna say, I got a shotgun, boy. You want to come see my daughter, you come around a decent hour while I'm here, and I'm at work during the day, so you wait till the weekend. Are y'all with me? This is what Satan tried to destroy. Oh, be thanks to God. Y'all can show me that.